the Department of Chemistry and Chemical Engineering Department. Okay, this is the first time I am coming to take your lectures. I will take your I think fertilizer technology. Please come. Yeah. So today my first lecture with you people. So today I am just giving my introduction. Then I will. You should come to one by one and give your introduction. Okay, because this is the first time I am meeting with people. So. So this is the first time I am meeting you people. So first I am introducing myself to you. Then you one by one. First online people should give their introduction. Your friends may know you, but I don't know you. So online people they first give that introduction. Then people here in front of me they will give that. So in my introduction, what I'll say. My name is Subrata Patra. I am from Department of Chemistry as well associated with Department of Chemistry and Chemical Engineering Department. I completed my BSc in Chemistry from Calcutta University and MSc in Chemistry with Inorganic Chemistry, my specialization from Indian Institute of Science and Engineering. That is also in West Bengal, which is shortly known as IIEST. So after my MSc, I came to Bhavnagar, which is in Gujarat, Central Salt Marine Chemical Research Institute. There I joined as junior research fellow, and after that senior research fellow for my PhD program. I did my PhD from Fluorescence and Molecular Sensor and Photoactive Property. That is some photochemical part, and this is really water contamination we can identify through this. I completed my PhD 2010 around October. Then another 4 months later, 2011 I went to USA for my postdoctoral study. There I was 3 years at Texas Christian University, which is in Fort Worth. I did my postdoctoral study on the topics of dendrimer chemistry and drug delivery and drug nanotechnology. That also you may know that. 2014 onward, at the end of 2014, I think October, I came back to India and I joined a temporary faculty position at Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, which is in Surat. There I was up to 2017 June. In 2017 onwards, July onwards, I am here at the Department of Chemistry and also associated with the Department of Chemical Engineering. This is my part from my introduction. In your introduction, you tell your name and which part of the country. Maybe in Gujarat. If you from Gujarat, then tell the place name. And if you're outside, then just tell this only the name of the state. If you're outside of India, then definitely tell your country name. So, and what's your future target? Thank you. Start one by one. I think meet Bhaja.
Sir,
okay, start please.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am Anupama Giri, born in West Bengal in 1999.
Yeah.
I have been brought up in Reliance Township at Nagothane, located in Maharashtra.
Okay.
My father is also a chemical engineer working as senior general manager in Reliance. I have completed my primary education in Maharashtra. I have been shifted to Jamnagar in 2013. I have completed my secondary and higher secondary education in a CBSE board school at Reliance Gate. Then my journey became in Marwadi University, and I am very much proud to be in Marwadi University. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next to Rich. Anyone, please start.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am from Uttar Pradesh, and my name is Abhishek Prasad, and I have done my school class 10 from Aditya Birla Higher Secondary School in Vedawal, and after that I have completed and after that I have completed my 11th 12th in Junagadh, and now I am studying or pursuing in Marwadi University as a chemical engineer. And thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your future target?
What is my future target?
Yeah,
IS officer.
future target क्या है?
सर मेरा फ्यूचर टारगेट IS ऑफिसर है.
Oh, अच्छा, thank you. Very good. Okay, please, next one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It is very much challenging job. Okay, thank you. Please, next one, please. Maulik Hadia. Hello. Please start. Anyone, please. दूसरा कोई बताओ भाई, कोई है? हेलो, डेंसी. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, yes. Please carry on.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is
Good
Densi.
morning.
I am from Gondal and I am planning for masters.
Hello.
Hello.
I cannot hear you. Okay. Hello, Densi.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, carry on. Now sound is clear.
Okay. My name is Densi.
Yes.
I am from Gondal and I am planning for my masters.
Yeah. Okay, what's your future target?
Sir, I am planning for my masters.
Planning for what?
To do masters in chemical engineering.
अच्छा, ME करना चाहिए. ME or that is fine. Okay, thank you. Thank you. One, please. Please, next one.
Good morning,
Vinti.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Vinti Sharma. I'm from Surat. My
Surat.
native is Rajasthan, and my future target is to study ahead, masters in chemical engineering.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Vinti. Thank you, Vinti. Anyone, please?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Devat Vitlani and I am from
Yes.
Porbandar
Okay.
and I want to do a master in general.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. What's your future target? You tell again.
Master degree in general, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anyone, please?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Dharmajit Jala from Jamnagar,
Yes.
and I want to get a job in Reliance Industries.
Okay. Very good. Very specific company you choose. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Why do you choose the Reliance industry? Because it is near to you?
No, because my father is also in Reliance Industries from
Okay.
last 22 years.
Okay. So you want to go there. Okay. Thank you. Reliance is a big group. Okay. Thank you. Anyone, please? Hello. I think किसका बाकी है? भार्गव.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Bhargav Viradja from Rajkot city.
Okay.
My ultimate goal is to research in petrochemicals.
Petrochemical. You want to? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prince.
Sir, Nantara. I born in Rajkot and I pursued my primary and secondary school at Stanford School,
Okay.
Rajkot.
Yeah.
I have School of Excellence, and my future goal is to do the masters in chemical engineering.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Uh, anyone, please? Jaimin Kumar.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Morning.
My name is Jamin Batolia. I am from Amreli,
Okay.
and my future plan is business.
What kind of business? कौन सा बिजनेस करना चाहते हो?
Business textile.
Textile. Okay. Yes.
Surat.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Amreli means is it on the way of Bhavnagar, na? Hello, Amreli.
Yes, bolo sir.
Amreli means on the way of Bhavnagar.
No.
Oh, अच्छा कहाँ है पता नहीं है ठीक है ओके थैंक यू
Good morning,
आई थिंक हाँ मॉर्निंग करिया
sir.
कौशल
I am Kaushal Karya.
ओके
I am from Veraval, Somnath. Currently, I am living in Rajkot,
yeah
and I want to become master in business administration.
you want to do a master degree in MBA okay
Yes.
okay thank you
Thank you.
so are you preparing for a CAT
Yes, sir. I also
Okay.
preparing for that.
Okay, thank you. Because premium school need the CAT good score, I think, not MAT like that. I don't know exactly though. So, anybody remaining, please. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Lekha and I am from Rajkot. And my future goal is become a professor in chemical engineering.
Acha, means you want to go for academic purpose. Yes? Am I right? Yes, okay, good job. So, academic means you have to go for, do the ME or MTech, then go for competitive
Yeah,
exam.
MTech. And
Yeah. Okay.
thank you, sir.
Next one, please.
Good morning, sir.
Next one.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Bhargav. Hello. Sorry. Hello. Please. Next one, please.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning.
My name is
Darshan.
Darshan Balogia and I am from Rajkot. And right now
Yes.
I am planning for my MTech.
Okay. Planning for MTech. Okay. So, do you want to go for GATE exam or simply going for any school?
Without GATE.
Without GATE. Why? Why not GATE?
Sir, it's too late about GATE here.
No, I think it is February, na? This year also February. 13 February. I think it is not late because you are 8th sem student. If you appear, then there is some chance, na?
Yes, I am giving it, but there is a...
No, okay. What the result will come, that is later. But first appear and go for confidence. Go with confidence.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am appearing.
Okay. Because if you once clear the gate, you have some tag, that will help you in a future study also. Okay. Okay. Anyone, please? Hello. Arya. Dhai. Anyone remaining, please? कोई बाकी नहीं है क्या? इतना तो बाकी है, बहुत है। इसका नाम क्या? धाई भात ना? वो ठीक है। ए धाई भात भिकाल। हेलो भाई, प्लीज यू। हाँ हो गया? कार्य कौशल हो गया, विनती शर्मा हो गया, दर्शन भी हो गया। रुको देखता हूँ। अभिषेक, अनुपमा गिरी, I think she also completed. Anupama, hello, hello Anupama.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Anupama Giri from Jamnagar Township, Reliance.
Okay.
I am planning to do a job in any company. It will be better if I get a job in Reliance.
Okay, why? Because your father is there?
No, sir. I like Reliance because it is a big company, and for this reason.
Okay, are you were you in the Golden Polygon sometime before?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay,
Not
okay.
now.
Not now, now. Yes, before lockdown, I think. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay, okay. Arun color. Please, Arun color. हो गया? बंशित कुमार, डेनिस हो गया। अच्छा, बंशित कुमार, बंश, yes, yes. Please start. Introduce your बंशित। हाँ, देखा। Hello, बंशित। Is there any problem for connection?
वंचित भाई।
अच्छा ठीक है, उसको छोड़ो। यस सर, ओके डेविड। आपका फ्यूचर टारगेट क्या है वंशित? हेलो वंशित, ये तो मैसेज में लिखो भाई, फ्यूचर टारगेट क्या करने चाहते हो? ओके ठीक है। भार्गव भिराटे, इसका तो हो गया ना? दर्शन भालटिया हो गया। ओके सर, आस्क दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर राइट नाउ इन क्लास। वो तो मैं करूंगा भाई। You also discussed your experience, and yes, I will discuss that one. But हाँ? अभी आप लोग का बीच में कोई बाकी है? जॉय कांसारा, हिमांशु परमार, हर्ष धोलारिया, okay, so now almost now I'm asking these people who are in front of me. Okay, so online students, हाँ वो ठीक है भाई, ऑनलाइन से आर डन, ओके ऑनलाइन से ठीक है, छोड़ो ना भाई, क्या है। हेलो हेलो, ए प्लीज, वन बाय वन प्लीज, यू पीपल।
मोहिल को पूछो, मोहिल को।
हाँ मैं पूछता हूँ ना, ए प्लीज डोंट।
मोहिल सेवया को।
ए थोड़ा लाउडली बोलो, सुना है ना।
मोहिल सबया को पूछो, ऐसे बोल रहा है।
ए
Hello.
So can we leave?
ओह okay, good morning to all. Everybody has given their own introduction, but one thing I have I almost got, but one thing I have observed that introduction, you people may go business or any job or getting in experience, then you start your own business based on chemical. I think one or two students told that I go to academic. I think two girls go to academic. Okay, but one thing, nobody wants to go to for research. Prince. Okay, so but you see, for future any development, research is necessary. Business must necessary because you need the money. But business को नया product चाहिए. Where will get the product if research stopped? So you need something to invent something because you don't know. You see, now all over world is fighting for the nanometer range, picometer range on for virus. 600 crore for suffering people, more than 600 crore people all over world. So suffering for the nanovirus because whole scientists like super for America. So they couldn't do anything. Still now, people are fighting. But you see, because you need research. Otherwise, now people are doing the research. You get to the and getting some information. So mask पहनना है. जो अभी vaccine आया है, Covishield and Covax, both. Though Covaxin having some debate, but anyway, presently you have something to get hope. Okay, अभी तो कुछ हुआ तो मर नहीं जाएगा. कुछ ना कुछ आप fight करने के लिए everybody having some option. So research is most important part. Even any research, yes, anything. Ravi, we go in MTech or MS. Yes, Prince. Yes. So what? So research, without research, you cannot go there. You see, I was in America. I told you that 3 years I was in the lab. Whatever the chemicals, whatever you are using, maybe chemicals you can find out the made from the India, any company, maybe SD Fine or local company. But you see the most of the instrument made in USA, most of the big instrument like NMR, mass, complementary study. I'm not saying that EV, even EV for Parkin Elma. So these are the foreign company. You see, when I was in USA, we have the big NMR in the lab. Okay, if Srinidhi Patel. Okay, so you see that everything. If in India, if somebody in lab having the problem in NMR instrument, you have to wait 2 to 3 months. Bruker is the Germany company. It is the instrument, I think Switzerland. The instrument coming from the Switzerland. Then it is a lot of process of customs. So many things are there. But you see, same thing happened when USA in the lab. Okay, one day I saw there is some problem in the NMR. Then immediately they called engineer. Engineer came within a day. He found that okay. Within 2 days they fixed the instrument. Because the instrument what they need, that is locally available. When in the lab we are doing that experiment, the instrument made in Texas. Texas means that where I was there, that state, that Texas. I was in Fort Worth. Texas is the state. So made in Texas. It is not made in America and other state also. It is made in Texas. Maximum thing. You may know the rotor vapor, a lot of thermometer. So very locally available. If you in India, we are okay. Chemical now, especially that Gujarat area, Gujarat, a lot of raw chemicals producing. But still, we are very lag behind the fine chemical. And chemicals means within 99.99% pure. You see LDH, you know the same water. ये water का पानी का कीमत कितना होता है? 20 वो बिस्लरी है. But simple जो पीने का वाली उसका तो रास्ते में मिल जाता है. Okay, but if you purify water, millipore water, maybe कितना मिलेगा? Millipore, you know, millipore water. In water, lot of element is there, lot of metal, cation, anions are there. You have to purify that. You have to remove this all the ions from the all the things. Sometimes smell is there. You cannot find out the chemicals, but smell is there. You have to remove these things. So there are a lot of processes there. One easy process is the UV radiation past that. Then it will kill all the virus bacteria. High energy UV 200 to 400. So that radiation kills a lot of things. So that iron, calcium, magnesium, these things are there. Then if you do an experiment, it will interfere there. So how can I remove that? So then you have to then process the normal procedure is that heat that and collect the steam. Then again you check that. Sometimes if you heating very high heat temperature, very speedy way, some metal element also vaporize that. So it is going in vapor, but almost 80 to 90% over. But there is some membrane. You know that membrane, especially in your Gujarat Kutch area, Kutch. No, that drinking water is very much problematic. Government having still government is supplying the only drinking water. So normal their water ppm value 1000, 1200. That ppm. But you know, WHO recommendation is the maximum 250 ppm. Maximum. Normal water 100, 150. But a Rajkot area water, normal that municipality water, maybe it is having 300, 400. 350 maybe, but in your home maybe having water purifier, so you are getting maybe below 100 or 40. Very less also very not good. If below than 40 ppm not good for your health. So this thing you can purify by membrane. Reverse osmosis, you know, process may be reverse osmosis. People using the membrane, you know, that membrane millipore. Millipore means a very good membrane. So millimeter range, if some particles is very that not only millimeters, you can that membrane company name is the millipore, but nanopore size. So small element cannot pass this. So 1 liter purified water cost 1800, 1800 रुपये. आप सोच सकते हो 1 liter purified water मीन जिसमें सब आयन नहीं रहेगा 1800. डिस्टिल वाटर 20 रुपया. डिस्टिल वाटर के अंदर भी आपको कुछ रहता है जो स्मेल, वो केमिकल डिस्टिल वाटर के अंदर चला जाता है. ओके, सम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर में वो भी ऊपर चला जाता है. मीन्स जब आप हीट करते हो वेपर के साथ निकल जाता है. एसिटिक एसिड, इफ यू नो दैट, इफ यू वेपराइज इन वाटर it will go to the vapor state. So a lot of things are in the water. So distillation fast process, but then also it is not purified. But what the lab fine chemical we are using 1800, वो एलिस से भी सप्लाई होता है. आई थिंक एसडी फाइन अभी इंडिया में है. आप लोग का तो बिजनेस है, आपको पता होगा कौन सा कंपनी सप्लाई करता है. अभी एसडी फाइन इंडिया में महाराष्ट्र बेस्ड एक कंपनी है. उसका केमिकल का क्वालिटी लिटिल बिट बेटर एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंपनी. सो 1800, आप सोच सकते हो जो चीज आप भी देख रहे हो वो उसको भी देख रहे हो. दोनों ही पानी है, दोनों का H2O2 है, बट ये प्यूरिफाइड वाटर, ये इम्प्योर वाटर. 1800, इसका कुछ भी कीमत नहीं था, इसका 1800 पानी है. ये सब जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ना, हमारे पास इतना ज्यादा नहीं है. इंडिया है नॉट हैविंग दैट. अनदर वन इंसिडेंट यू नो फॉर कल्टिवेशन पर्पस, जो फर्टिलाइजर में पढ़ाऊंगा, मैं बताऊंगा आप लोग. क्या सल्फेट, जो पोटेशियम सल्फेट होता है ना, इसको वो फर्टिलाइजर है. आप लोग खान कुछ बोलते हो ना, ना केट खान नहीं, जो भी है खान मीन्स शुगर, जो ना वो कल्टीवेशन फील्ड में अप्लाई करता है. जो केट खातर, यस खातर, यस माय स्टूडेंट. So you see, India having K2SO4 you can get from the sea water. It is a huge source of the K2SO4. Sea water में almost 50 to 60% sulfate रहता है. But India still K2SO पोटेशियम सल्फेट importing, अदर कंट्री से import करता है. क्यों? हमारे पास वो टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है पानी से सेपरेट करके. टेक्नोलॉजी तो है बट इकोनॉमिकल फेवरेबल टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है. सो पानी से सेपरेट करके सेंट्रल सॉल्ट भाग में मैं खुद ही एक काम किया. हमारा एक काम था उसमें सी वाटर से. गुजरात का जो कोस्टल रीजन है कंट्री में सबसे ज्यादा है, हाईएस्ट कोस्टल रीजन गुजरात में है. उसके बाद आई थिंक तमिलनाडु का है. सो बट स्टिल वी कैनॉट K2SO4 getting from the sea water. We are importing the huge cost, government spending the huge foreign exchange to the other country. So आपको पता है foreign exchange कितना important है. गवर्नमेंट लेता है, देता है रुपया, वो डॉलर में कन्वर्ट होता है, कन्वर्सन रेट जाता है. इसका बाद भी सो मनी डिप्लोमेटिक प्रोसेस भी है. easy to that there, but there is channel. But still you can imagine जो K2SO4 आपका घर का बाजू में जो पानी उसका अंदर है, बट वो पानी आप यूज नहीं कर पाते हो. आप सोच सकते हो क्यों? बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टेक्नोलॉजी. सो अभी भी कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी आ रहा है, बट वो टेक्नोलॉजी प्रॉब्लम है जब प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड में आता है इतना सेटिस्फैक्टरी रिजल्ट नहीं देता है. दूसरा है उसका जो इकोनॉमी है वो इतना फेवरेबल नहीं है. आपको देखा होगा जो ONGC, जिधर ONGC कोई प्लेस में जाकर डिगिंग करता है, बट बाद में बोलता है इसमें इधर ऑयल है बट उठा नहीं सकता, बिकॉज इकोनॉमी नॉट सपोर्टिव. उसको उठा लीजिए कितना कीमत होगा, वो इतना सपोर्टिव नहीं है. मैं जिधर रहता हूँ, मैं वेस्ट बंगाल में, उधर एक बस स्टॉप का नाम है ONGC स्टॉप. छोटा सा हम सुन के आता है व्हाट इज इट ओएनजीसी स्टॉक, व्हाट इज ओएनजीसी स्टॉक, कुछ भी कोई आईओसी ओएनजीसी या कुछ भी प्लांट कुछ भी नहीं है, बट बिकॉज long before that ONGC digging that area and they found that finally it is not economical survival, so they left out this position. From this point that is ONGC stop. So economy is that much. So आपका पास टेक्नोलॉजी हो सकता है, बट जो मार्केट अवेलेबल होना चाहिए, जो मार्केट को मार्केट एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. अभी देखो कोई कोई बोलता है ना जे हाँ मैं जो कचरा निकालते उधर से मैं पेट्रोल बना रहा हूँ, बट उसका टेक्नोलॉजी इतना स्प्रेड आउट नहीं होता है. क्यों? उसका जो प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन आता है कुछ ना कुछ लिमिटेशन आ ही जाता है. उसका मैक्सिमम प्रोजेक्ट आई थिंक फ्यू डेज बिफोर आई थिंक चेन्नई IIT one girl that is I have seen in Facebook. I don't know how much really it is, but this type of news should not be fake. So that girl I think prepared that. I think she is chemical technology. I think some student. See people from plastic and domestic usage जो आप फेंक देते हो बाहर ना, उधर से कुछ पेट्रोल करके वो बना रहा है. तो स्मॉल प्लांट में दूसरा क्या है, स्मॉल प्लांट में कुछ चीज सक्सेस हो जाता है, but when you are applying for the large plant, mega plant, but there may be so many drawbacks. हम लोग जो लैब में करता हूँ, हाँ ये जो कंपाउंड बनाया वो मेरा मार्करी को सेंस करता है, but same compound when you are using the pond water or drainage water, this not compound not giving properly what I expected, what I got in the lab. तो ये भाई practical feasibility is always problem रहता ही है. ये केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग का बड़ा चैलेंज है. मींस आप ऐसा कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी, अभी दूसरा टेक्नोलॉजी, अभी तो पॉल्यूशन है, ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी, आपको ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी देखना है जो इकोनॉमिकल फेवरेबल भी होना चाहिए, ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी होना चाहिए जो पॉल्यूशन आपको नहीं करेगा. हाँ आप ऐसा कुछ कंपाउंड बनाए वो उससे भी ज्यादा पॉल्यूटेंट है, सो ये तो काम का नहीं है भाई, वो तो फेंकने पड़ेगा. तो दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है टिक किएगा, इससे ज्यादा जो चल रहा है वो उसको यूज करो. You see that you know that biodiesel जानते हो ना, but this is derived from Jatropha. Jatropha एक प्लांट है जो सेंट्रल सॉल्ट में जो उसको कल्टीवेशन करता है. नॉर्मली वो जो ग्रो दैट प्लांट कैन बी ग्रोन फ्रॉम द कोस्टल एरिया बट नॉट सॉल्टेड वाटर. वो पानी जो मिट्टी होगा थोड़ा सा सॉल्टेड होगा तो दैट कैन सर्वाइव, but it is not you cannot apply that salted water there. तब I think Jatropha किसी प्लेस में देखने मिलता है, इधर भी है कोई प्लेस में मैं देखा, वो देखने के झाड़ जैसा होता है, बड़ा नहीं होता है. But unfortunately Jatropha that plant is available in India, but we don't have that technology. Patent have the USA having that biodiesel technology. So Jatropha say if anything want to do the government or anybody, you have to buy from the USA that permission. I mean you know that how much patent cost is there. Huge money you have to spend there. So India is trying to get the new technology. It is little bit success that IPR, Indian Petroleum Research Institute in Dehradun, and Indian Petroleum Research Institute lab. It is, I think, in university that is Dehradun, that is private university. They are getting some technology. I think they also I think last year they used that fuel for the Tata Sumo. I think long 100-200 kilometer. But there is also some problem. What the ignition value you should expect from the fuel, that much ignition you cannot get there. So there is some drawback there, but you have to be there. But one day that fossil fuel will be finished. So what will do that? You have to do the alternate way. Another, this fossil fuel one advantage, you can run your car on 24 or 20, but these type of things you cannot. There is some problem always generated, and even your engine is getting that. Maybe that next day, a few years before, next. We may get that technology. So what is that? So you see everything, you may know that science, but practical applicability is always difficult. You may get then actually that application when you go into that, तभी आपको पता चलता है आपका कीमत कितना है. आप जो चीज निकला उसका कीमत कितना है, इफ इट इज एप्लीकेबल और नॉट. देखो, so many things people can invent, people having the lot of things, but maybe it is a proof of his own excellency, but it is not practical applicability. Lot of medicine. अभी हाँ, रामदेव बाबा जैसा नहीं है. ये कोरोना का कुछ पहला कुछ बोला था ना, कोरोनिल ना कुछ लेके आ गया. But when government pressure is that, he withdraw his claim, na. After that, you see, after that he told that it is for immunity booster. Immunity booster and curing the disease not the same. Immunity booster means you are not, he or she cannot be attacked by the disease. But curing somebody affected, he or she will be cured. But immunity booster and that, so still now nobody got that corona disease, corona medicine. And if everybody getting hope that okay, that vaccine will be successful, but some drawbacks still coming. But okay, we have to accept it. If you see that vaccine normal strategy, 70 to 80% normally success. It is not like that 100% people are getting. So you see what the vaccine you are getting from child time, 70 to 80% people are getting success, means 80% success. Baki to 10 to 20% drawbacks you can find out there. But day to day when you go to that, it will be okay. People who have that adoption and you can manage this thing. So what in your lecture from next day onwards, I will start that fertilizer technology. Fertilizer, you know that maximum things, whatever you know that is the thing. It is the easy scoring we have in MSc. But in that easy scoring, people are saying, okay, sir, इसमें तो question होना ही चाहिए. Who are not comfortable for passing mark or getting good score, fertilizer is some chapter. You will get some marks. How you see? You know that biology ecosystem pata hai na? So you can, I think you have studied 10+2 level. So whatever you write that is not completely wrong. उधर से आप जो भी कुछ लिखा है completely wrong नहीं होता है. But हाँ, to get the full marks also difficult. क्यों? आप सोचोगे मैं इतना ही, मैं सोचूंगा ना इससे आधा दूसरा भी तो आ सकता है ना. Because lot of big topics, ecosystem, you know, everybody, you cannot mention everything. So, but to get zero, it is also difficult. हाँ, very specific information छोड़ के zero किसी को नहीं मिलता है. जो short question होता है ना, हाँ आपको MCQ दिया गया, उधर से तो आपको ऑप्शन ही नहीं होगा. But जो fill in the gaps और जो definition type जो लिखना आता है, उसमें तो आपको zero मिलने का चांस very difficult है. बट यू सी, जो आपको मैं भी यू में से सर ये तो थ्योरी टाइप, उसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेटिव बहुत ज्यादा है. जैसे आप लोग आई थिंक 4th सेम में पढ़ा होगा, आप लोग का सिरामिक मटेरियल, सिरामिक नैनो पार्टिकल्स पढ़ा होगा. सिरामिक का आप नैनो पार्टिकल हैविंग लॉट ऑफ साइंस, ओके, बट इफ यू स्टडी द सिरामिक यू विल सी दैट ओ इसका साथ ये मिक्स कर रहा है, ये प्रॉपर्टी गेन कर रहा है. So you feel that it is kind of information, but you see, आप लोग का मॉर्बी बोलता है ceramic city of India. So huge exporting, government getting huge money from by the exporting. Not only the government, local economy उसका ऊपर चलता है. अब सोचो मॉर्बी में ceramic industry बंद हो गया तो कितना क्या होगा? लॉस तो होगा. अरे कितना लॉस होगा? People who are, lot of people involved with that, they may not get their proper food. They may not get the shelter because income, huge industry, na? So that is the technical process, that is the technology importance. So आपको जो पढ़ के लगता है ये इसमें क्या है, अरे थ्योरी है, थ्योरी हमको पढ़ना है, लिखना है, इतना कुछ दिमाग चलाने का ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है जो लगता है. बट उसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन सोचो. जो आप लोग अमोनिया का वेबर प्रोसेस है, आप सोचो 20 to 30 years scientists spend that for this process. Can you imagine? आप बोल रहे हैं मैं तो एक बार पढ़ लूंगा तो हो जाता है, but scientists spend that 30 years because optimum condition to get that not easy. Optimum condition में आपका इकोनॉमी फेवर करता है. ऑप्टिमम कंडीशन आपका आउटपुट ज्यादा होगा, जो आपका इकोनॉमी में इकोनॉमिकल फेवरेबल होगा. आपको एमोनिया मिल रहा है, बट हाँ आपको जितना खर्च है उससे भी कम प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, तब कौन इंडस्ट्री चलाएगा भाई? 2 दिन के बाद बोला मैं इंडस्ट्री बंद करना पड़ेगा। प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस everything related to each other. No profit means no profit means चल सकता है, बट लॉस हो रहा है मीन्स नेगेटिव ग्राफ कितना दिन जाएगा? एक दिन ना एक दिन जीरो में तो टच करेगा ही ना। सो technology is that much important. So whatever the technology, that is the what I want to say, whatever the technology available there, and what the modern technology wants, that they want many but specific technology, specific. मैं एक जो और that महाभारत that story ना, Arjun wants the eye of the bird, but that Yudhishthir, he can see that whole bird, पूरा bird, उसका पंखा में भी मारो, गला भी मारो, जिधर भी मारो पाखी को मार रहा है, but he is targeting only the eye. So that much specification. So if you get any specific and green technology, that is the always good. That is the target of the technology, and whole over world and India also doing that one. You people also one day will do that job. हाँ, आप बोलोगे मैं कितना कर पाऊंगा? मैं अकेला क्या? सब लोग कर रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है, उसी लिए तो रिसर्च. So okay, today that much. Please put your attendance through the Google Meet, and who are here, I am taking their attendance. Okay. So please give your attendance. Thank you that much. Thank you. I hope you have. Yes. Prince Ranipa. Okay. It is your enrollment number, I think, na? Yes. Please give your attendance, please.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.